Puppet Show 81. Protect the cycle of life.
From the corner of happy and nice, it's Bogie's Puppet Friends.
I just saw about 100 squirrels in the park. I didn't know which one to chase, and by the time I made up my mind, they all crawled up the trees.
I know, Dad. It's so confusing when you have so many squirrels to chase. I have the same problem when I chase chipmunks.
I love chirping chipmunks. They must be so much fun to chase around. I'll bet they enjoy it as much as you do, Bow Wowzer. Hop, 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 hop. It sounds like fun, and I bet it's a lot of fun to watch. Hop, 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 hop.
Those little chirping chipmunks are always after my bananas. I love that Bow Wowzer and Bowser chase them around. That gives me less time to bother my bananas.
I noticed that there's less chipmunks and squirrels around our village this year. Maybe they've moved off to another village. They just don't seem to be here.
When I was a little boy back in Italy, my mama told me not to chase the squirrels away from the village. She said that they were part of the cycle of life. I don't know what I would do if I ever caught a squirrel. I think if I ever caught up with one, I would stay just behind enough for the squirrel to get away. I'll bet it's more fun just chasing them than catching them. I hear that Bogie feels the same way.
I feel the same way about chipmunks, Dad. Actually, they are so fast that I don't think I could ever catch one. Plus, they have so many holes that they duck into when I'm chasing them. It's a great way for me to get my exercise, so I think I don't ever need to catch one.
I wonder if all my hopping and all of your chasing has scared away all the squirrels and the chipmunks. I'm gonna have to be more careful that I don't chase away too many and upset the cycle of life.
I totally agree. The cycle of a banana's life is so fragile. If one little thing goes wrong, many things can happen to my bananas. My bananas might not grow big enough. My bananas might not have enough fruit inside. My bananas might not ripen. And worst of all, my bananas might bruise very easily. I don't like bruised bananas at all. No bruised bananas for me.
It's important to protect the cycle of life from everything from bananas to squirrels. It just might be the most important thing in the whole wide world. Meow meow, says the little kitty.
My Uncle Pablo Giovanni Smoochie Woochie always gave me such great advice. He would say, take care of yourself first so that you can take care of your family and then take care of your neighborhood, and that will help you take care of your state and your country, and then maybe even you can take care of the entire world. It will make it a better place. It just starts with each one of us. It's all a part of the cycle of a life. Thank you to Dolores Votruba for sponsoring this episode of Bogie's Puppet Friends with the wish to end Alzheimer's in our lifetime.
Why does Bogie wag his tail, wag his tail, wag his tail? Why does Bogie wag his tail? Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie woof woof woof, woof woof woof, woof woof woof? Why does Bogie woof woof woof? Ow! Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie sniff sniff sniff, sniff sniff sniff, sniff sniff sniff? Why does Bogie sniff sniff sniff? Achoo! Because he's a dog. Why does Bogie chew his toys, chew his toys, chew his toys? Why does Bogie chew his toys? Because he's hungry.
To send any fan mail or pictures you may have drawn to Bogie or Always Puppet Friends, send them to Bogie's Puppet Friends, P.O. Box 143, Medina, Ohio 44258.
That was Bogie's favorite song.
Why does Bogie chew